This is a short video to demonstrate the use of a powder stick. Powder sticks are similar in look to a fill stick. The wax is much softer and they're more highly pigmented. This is a way for us to apply color to the surface. We can intermix colors. Once we've applied it, then we're going to take and blend that with our finger. And we can use that to apply color to a surface and control the intensity of the color. I can use a rag to soften it, or if I want to remove it completely, it'll wipe right off. Because that color is just on the surface, we want to make sure that we come back with a clear top coat over that to protect that surrounding area. We can then top coat, check our color, and if we need to come back and apply more, we can put on another layer. Again, it's just laying on the surface and it can be wiped completely off very easily.